From couch potato to Zen master, how to enter monk mode and kick procrastination to the curb. If you've been feeling unmotivated lately, lazy, or just stuck in a rut, and you know you need a positive change in your life, then this video is for you. Let's first start with the basics and discuss some practical strategies to overcoming procrastination, be more productive, and live a more fulfilling life. Let's talk about what procrastination actually is and the root cause of procrastination. Procrastination is a common phenomenon that affects people of all ages, backgrounds, and professions. At its core, procrastination is the act of delaying or putting off the tasks that require action. The reasons behind procrastination are complex and can vary from person to person, but some common causes include fear of failure or fear of success. Some people procrastinate because they fear they will not succeed at the task, while others fear success and the pressure that comes with it. Lack of motivation. When people lack motivation, they may find it difficult to get started on a task, which can lead to procrastination. When people feel overwhelmed by the task at hand, they may avoid it altogether as it's making them feel anxious or stressed. Lack of interest. If people are not really interested in the task, they may find it difficult to get started. Poor time management. If people are not interested in the task, they may find it difficult to make a start and stay the course, and put it off until the last minute. So, if you've got a task you need to tackle that you're not feeling up to, due to perhaps some of the prior stated reasons, then the solution may be to break the task down into smaller, more manageable steps. For example, if you have a paper due in a week for college, school, or work, break it down into daily tasks like researching, outlining, and then writing it. This way, you won't feel too overwhelmed and you can make steady steps forward and progress towards your goal. Another strategy to overcome procrastination is to create a sense of urgency. Set deadlines for yourself and stick to them. If you have a tendency to put things off until the last minute, try setting an earlier deadline to motivate yourself to get started sooner. Or, if you need it, find yourself an accountability partner, someone who can hold you accountable and check in on your progress so you don't fall down a black hole. This one works very well for physical fitness goals and diet goals, but also if you're trying to stop a bad habit of some kind. Now let's talk about motivation. Motivation is a key factor in productivity and success. Without it, we may struggle to find the energy and enthusiasm to get things done. So, how can we stay motivated? One way is to set goals for yourself. Make sure they are specific, measurable, and achievable. Write them down and review them regularly to stay focused and on track. But you gotta find your why. Why are you doing what you're doing? What is your ultimate goal? Many of us don't feel like doing certain things some of the time, but if you're always unmotivated to do a specific something, or you always have the blues about it, this may be your body and your mind's way of telling you that this is not the right path for you. So you have to listen to yourself. If you're on the wrong path, it might be time for a life change. When you are truly doing the things you love, you are focused and happy, and you want to do them and continue doing them. Also, time passes so fast when you're doing what you love. Think about when you're doing something you really love to do, like playing video games, dancing, watching football, etc. Doesn't time pass so quickly when you're doing these things? If time is dragging on and you hate the idea of the thing you're working on, it may be time for a complete switch up and change in your life, or your lifestyle, job, college courses, etc. So find your why in what you're doing, as understanding your purpose and your why can help you either stay the course and stay focused when things get tough, or have you admit to yourself that this is not the right path for you and it's time for a serious change. Are you excited for life in general? Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes it can be easy to feel stuck in a rut. One way to stay excited about life is to try new things. Challenge yourself to step outside and try something new, make a new friend, or go into a new part of town. Make sure you're taking care of yourself and taking care of all the basics for health and hygiene. If you're not healthy and not giving yourself fresh, clean food and water full of all the necessary vitamins and minerals you need on a daily basis, you won't feel good and you won't feel motivated for anything. So you have to make sure you have all the basics in check. Same is true for a clean, healthy water supply and regular exercise routine. So move your body on the regular. No couch potato land. And shower. For the love of God, clean your body and keep it clean. So moving forward, now we know we're on the right path and this is what we want to do. So what's next? Well, to stay motivated and get the job done moving successfully forward, you need to do something about all those distractions. With the rise of technology and social media, it's easier than ever to get distracted from tasks that we need to complete. Constantly checking emails, scrolling through social media, and other such distractions can prevent us from getting started on important tasks. Work time is for work. If you don't put yourself first and work on you and what needs to be done to improve yourself and move you forward, you'll never get out of your rut. You've got to go into monk mode. Disappear for 6 months and work exclusively on the task or goal at hand that you're trying to achieve. All your spare time and energy should go into this one task. Going into monk mode is a term that refers to a state of deep focus and concentration where one eliminates distractions and dedicates all their attention to a specific task or goal. This state of mind can be very effective in getting stuff done, and so therefore completely eliminating any procrastination and really getting you on the train to completing what you need done. There is no lazy in monk mode. It's for when you're truly passionate about something and you want to achieve it no matter what, as you block yourself off from all outside distractions when you're on it. And so you're hyper-focused on the task at hand. Monk mode is used as a technique for overcoming procrastination and getting stuff done by high achievers in various fields because it works, from athletes to artists to entrepreneurs. In fact, anybody that did anything worthwhile or started that business from the ground up likely went into monk mode to achieve it, even if they didn't realize it at the time, because the focus on monk mode brings success. Your dreams and goals require you to put work into them to bring them to life. So, how do you do monk mode correctly and successfully? The first step to entering monk mode is to eliminate all potential distractions. This means disconnecting from the outside world, whatever you personally need to do to get this done, as it will differ from person to person. For example, this could mean turning off your cell phone completely, no social media, close out emails, and only check on it once or twice a day at a dedicated time and for business reasons only. If you're in a noisy environment, such as a big city, try noise-cancelling headphones, etc. If you're not fully educated on what you're trying to achieve, educate yourself first. You can do monk mode for education reasons only. Read the books you need to read, watch the videos you need to watch, go to the cinema you need to attend. Once you know and fully understand how to do what you need to do, set a clear goal with a timestamp for achieving it and get to work on that goal. You can break the goal down into a checklist of all the steps that you need to achieve to get from where you are now to where you need to be. Create a conducive environment for monk mode. A clean and tidy workspace will help you stay motivated and promote a clear and focused mindset. So if the space you're working in is a mess, clean it up first. Create a schedule for your day and set aside specific times for your work and rest times. It can help you focus your brain during your work times. Do take breaks when needed. Don't skip this, otherwise you may experience burnout. Relax your mind, listen to calming music, and you can also stretch your body or just walk around for a bit. Monk mode is a state of intense concentration and focus to get the job done. By implementing some of these tips and strategies, you can enter monk mode and achieve a deep state of focus and concentration, eliminating any procrastination and laziness in your way. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you, and if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.